Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the System.io logo from your footer. This is a great way to create a more professional, branded look for your sales funnels and emails without third-party branding showing up at the bottom of your pages. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're on the home page, log in using your credentials to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll see the main interface where you can manage all your funnels and content. Next, look at the top toolbar and navigate to the section labeled Sites. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Sales Funnels. This will take you to a page displaying all the funnels you've created within your System.io account. Now find and click on the specific funnel where you want to remove the System.io logo from the footer. This action will open up the funnel editor and give you access to all the customization options for that particular funnel. Once inside, look over to the right panel and click on Edit Page. This button opens the page editor, allowing you to make changes to the layout, design, and settings of your funnel page. In the upper left corner of the editor, you'll see a button labeled Settings. Click on it to access the Page Settings menu, which contains various configuration options for your funnel page. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the section called Affiliation. This is where System.io manages the display of its affiliate badge and branding elements on your pages. However, here's an important note. You'll need to upgrade to a premium account in order to enable this feature. Without a premium plan, the option to remove the logo won't be available. Assuming you have a premium account, uncheck the box beside Display an Affiliate Badge. This action removes the System.io logo from the footer of your funnel page, giving you a cleaner, more professional appearance. Once you've made this change, click Save in the upper right corner to apply your settings. Your changes will now be saved, and the logo should no longer appear on that funnel page. Alternatively, if you want to remove the affiliate link from your emails as well, click on your profile avatar in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. In the left panel, click on Emails. This section controls how your email communications are branded and formatted. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Display My Affiliate Link, then uncheck the box next to it. This will remove the System.io branding from the footer of all emails sent through your account. Finally, click Save in the upper right of the page to apply these changes across all your email campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the System.io logo from both your funnel pages and email footers, giving your content a polished, professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.